Hello students. Factors and multiples is a very favorite topic of the students. But students generally find it interesting in the initial stages only when they have to deal with how to take out the factors and how to take out the multiples. When LCM and HCF come and prime factorization is also there, you get confused. So today I am going to do an activity which will tell you how to take out HCF easily. Alright, HCF means highest common factor. Keep it in mind बच्चे, highest common factor. Factor means parts, and for taking out the parts we have to divide. Highest means greatest. So when we are taking out the highest common factor, we have to see that we are going to take out the smaller number than the number which is given. Alright, let's do Jodo block activity to take out HCF. Children, these are Jodo blocks, and through these blocks I am going to teach you how to take out HCF in a very easy manner. Let's take two numbers like 8 and 10, and we have to find out the HCF of 8 and 10. This is the block of 10, 5 and 5, 10. Let's keep them here. And this block is, this line is of 8 blocks, 8. As HCF means we have to find out the factors. Factors means parts. And for taking out the parts we have to divide, and division's basic operation is repeated subtraction. So we will be doing this activity which is based on subtraction, and we will keep on taking out, we will keep on subtracting the numbers till the time we get the highest common factor. Now these are number 8 and this is number 10. We will take, as this number is smaller and 10 is bigger, so we will take out 8 from the bigger number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's take out 8. Keep it here. Now this number is smaller than 8. So this is number 2, this is number 8. Take out 2 from this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are left. Still this number is bigger and this number is smaller. Smaller number is 2. Let's take out 2 more from here. Now number 4 is left. Still this number is bigger than number 2. So we will take out 2 more from this. Now see, here we have 2 and here we have 2. So this number is equal to this number. When we get the is equal numbers, we get the same number in both the categories. That becomes our highest common factor. So number 2 is the highest common factor of 8 and 2. Alright, now let's do another sum. Let's take 6, 9 and 12. First of all, children, you have to keep the blocks here. This is number 6, 5 and 6. And 9, 4, 8 and 1 more makes it 9. This is a block of 10 and plus 2, 12. Sometimes children, when we see that, these multiple, these are the multiples actually. So these multiples have something in common. Alright, 6, 9, 12. We can take out that number easily. But right now, we are going to start from the scratch. This is the smaller number than 9 and 12. So we will take out 6 from number 9 and 6 from number 12. So now this number is 6 and this number is 6 and this only 3 is left. So we have to subtract 3 from other 2. 3 from 6, it becomes 3, and 3 from here also. Now you see that the number is equal in all the categories, and so it becomes the highest common factor. 6, 9 and 12, they are the big numbers, and highest common factor has to be smaller than the numbers. Alright, and sometime children, what happens, we get the number like 12, 24, 36. These are bigger numbers. Okay, so once again we can do that thing here also, but if sometime we have learned the tables also, we know that 12 is the factor of 24. 24 is a multiple of 12. 12 2s are 24 and 12 3s the 36. Both these numbers are the multiple of this number. We just put a cross here and we have to take out the HCF of 24 and 36. Here these are numbers 6, 6, 12, 18 and 24. 6, 12, 18, 24. Number 10, 20, 30 and 36. Alright. Now 24 is a smaller number than 36. We will not touch 24. We will take out 24 from the bigger number. 10, 20, we keep them here, and 24. So now this number is 24, but this number has been reduced to number 12. So this has become smaller number. Let's take out 12 from this, this 24 number. 6 and 6 becomes 12. So now you see that these numbers are same, like 6 and 6, 12. Alright, so now 12 is the HCF of 12, 24 and 36. But sometime what happens, we get the numbers where there is nothing common. So let's take 7, 9 and 29. All these numbers are co-prime numbers. Alright, when we have co-prime numbers, means the factors are, there is the factors are not common at all. Like the factors of 7 are 1 and 7, factors of 9 are 3 into 3, 29 is 29 into 1, it means 1 is common in all. So the HCF will be 1 only. I hope you have understood this concept, and the activity is also quite easy. You have to reduce from the bigger number, but keep it in mind, where you have the smaller number, you will not touch the blocks of that category. You will be taking out from the bigger number. Thank you and take care. Enjoy your day.